Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to adjust the ringtone volume on your iPhone 17 or the iPhone 17 Pro Max using the buttons. So let's get started. Now, the very first thing which you need to do is to open up your settings and then scroll down towards sound and haptics. Tap on that, and then under ringtones and alert volume, you will see the change with buttons. So you need to enable that. So now you can be able to adjust the ringtone volume. As you can see, I'm just tapping on the volume up, volume down button, and instead of volume up and down, it's going to be changing the ringtone volume up and down. So guys, basically that is how you can adjust the ringtone volume on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro using the buttons. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.